Moving on, TMC goons have attacked the car of BJP candidate Rahul Lohar in Madarihad. Officials are parallelly also investigating the Bhatpara shootout, where tensions remain high after the incident impacted the TMC's booth president. But right now, on focus, and the visuals on our screens clearly show how TMC goons are garroting the BJP leader, a candidate in Madarihad, Rahul Lohar. These visuals, viewers, clearly show you how the TMC is now confronting the BJP leader's convoy and are asking him to move out of this particular constituency. Clear display of arrogance by TMC goons. We have Ridhita also joining us live from the Kolkata newsroom. Ridhita, take us through what's happening in these visuals. What are the TMC goons saying?
Absolutely, Deepak. So, West Bengal since today morning has been a very high ground of tension that we have been seeing. So now now Rahul Lohar, who is a BJP candidate from Madarihad, which falls under Alipurduar, and just to take back, on 2021, Manoj Tigga had won his seats from here. So this time, TMC's Joy Prakash Tappo was contesting against him, and while he was visiting this booth, which is near the tea garden, the Munjari Tea Garden, the 1462, booth number 14 by 62, he was visiting that. He finished his visit and he was coming back. So he was attacked and ghettofied by TMC goons near this tea garden, and his car was vandalized badly. There were windows which was broken down, and he was also attacked. But as of now, the report says that he has escaped out of the car safe. But this situation we are facing since the morning. We are seeing that TMC has trying to influence the voters and
संविधान के अनुसार, चुनाव के नियमों के अनुसार जो 48 घंटे होते हैं मतदान से पहले, वो 48 घंटे साइलेंट पीरियड के हिसाब से जाना जाता है, जिसके नियम होते हैं कि उस दौरान कोई भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अपनी प्रचार प्रसार में उतर नहीं सकती, प्रचार प्रसार कर नहीं सकती, अपना मैनिफेस्टो या घोषणा पत्र रिलीज नहीं कर सकती है। कोई बड़ा नेता किसी प्रकार का उस समय रैली नहीं कर सकता है। इस विषय से अनभिज्ञ हम कोई नहीं है। मगर बड़े दुख के साथ मुझे कहना पड़ रहा है, कांग्रेस पार्टी जो एक राष्ट्रीय दल है, यह जानते हुए कि साइलेंट पीरियड चल रहा है, 13 तारीख को प्रथम चरण का मतदान है, 11 तारीख से 48 घंटे के लिए 48 आवर्स के लिए मतदान से पूर्व किसी प्रकार का प्रचार नहीं होगा, मगर उसके बावजूद 11 तारीख से बाद कल 12 तारीख को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपना घोषणा पत्र जारी किया है। यह अपने आप में बहुत ही दुखद है। यह संविधान के साथ खिलवाड़ है।